just go over it. Try to make it look the best I can. And then I could pressure wash it and get the bricks clean, or take a, the metal brush, and I could clean it. There you go. Done. Over here I just gotta get more cement and I could just fill it in. I got waterproof cement, hydraulic cement. It's really not needed, but there you go, inside and outside. Next thing to do is insulate this whole wall, or just seal it up, wait for the next rainfall. That's it. Doesn't have to look pretty inside. Wow, that took like 8 seconds to start up. All clean, finished. Inside, I'm happy. And already started my next project. Sorry I couldn't show you the rip-off of the wood and the framing around the tree, but it's all off. And I ran out of cement, and once I cemented up, I let the snowball bush come out, and I put my bricks back in. Now those bricks went over there, and what they did was kept the cat out. So these bricks lay on the top, and I don't really have to put any wood there, maybe one piece of wood going there. So stick with it, and you'll see the job well done. And of course, look at that bell pepper grow. And these are foxgloves if you're interested. Didn't have to disturb the myrtle crepe. A lot of work, a lot of work. Let's not forget, I have to redo this and make a better plan. But all the pieces there, all I gotta do is put polycarbonate on, and I'm done.